So how to add high conversion app on Shopify. All right, so what you're gonna have to do is to click on settings. So please click on settings here. Now we're gonna have to select from here, from all the features here in settings, we're gonna have to select apps and sales channels. Then we're gonna have to go to Shopify App Store. By the way, this here we have all the apps we installed. And then if you want to remove one, we can click on three dots and uninstall. And let's click on Shopify App Store. Very nice, very nice. And then here in the search bar, we're gonna have to write the app, Hiconversion, and enter. And then here we have all the apps, right? We can see here all the apps. Conversion, Hiconversion, you can see all the apps. But apparently it's not the one we want, right? Yeah, we don't have that one. We have other related to conversions, but conversion tools. So yeah, that's kind of like the results. I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching and take care.